Pastry cream or chocolate custard? It's the never-ending dilemma of all those with a sweet tooth. The difficult choice for any birthday cake and cream puff filling. But us at GialloZafferano, want to please everyone. After the classic pastry cream, today we'll prepare the chocolate custard. Chocolate team, check in. Let's start. First, I'm going to finely chop the dark chocolate. For this recipe, you want to use a 55% chocolate, which will guarantee you the right density and the right degree of sweetness. I'll transfer everything into the bowl and warm the milk in a saucepan. A vanilla bean for flavoring. I'm going to take the seeds and then I will infuse the pod too. And while the milk is simmering, I'm going to mix the sugar with the egg yolks in another saucepan. I'll add the cornstarch. In the old days, one would also use flour for pastry creams, but it's better to choose a pure starch that guarantees a shiny effect. A pinch of salt, essential in desserts and perfect with chocolate. One more stir and I'm going to dilute the mixture with hot milk. But first I get rid of the pod. One first stir and then I'll add the rest of the milk. Let's go back to the stove and let the custard thicken at medium temperature. Here, the custard has thickened. I'll transfer it into a bowl and I just have to add the chocolate. A nice stir to make it melt and the custard is ready. I just have to cover it with plastic and let it cool in the fridge for about an hour. And here it is, our glossy and luscious chocolate custard, which is also perfect as a dessert. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano where you can find the measurements and the procedure all explained step by step. If you like this recipe, don't forget to leave us a nice like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. Of course, if you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Bon appétit!